Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today it's time to spin the DIY wheel again, and today it's round 5. So briefly the rules are that I can only use what the wheel gives me, and next to that I can use some glue and paint and scissors to cut things. So as you can see, I've got some really cool DIY stuff in here and I am going to give it the first spin. And the first thing I'm getting is chopsticks. Write it down. Okay, remove. And with the chopsticks I am going to use toilet paper roll. Okay. Now I can leave it with those two, but I can also spin again. I think I'm going to spin again. Remove. And I'm also going to use some stirrers. Okay, so for the first DIY I am going to use chopsticks, toilet paper roll and stirrers. So here I've got all of my stuff, and my idea is to fill in the bottom here with some of the other rolls, and then I'm going to use these as some kind of legs. So I'm going to put them around, and then to cover it up I am going to use the stirrers. So they're going to be all the way around, and then I've got some kind of plant holder thingy. So let's see how this will be. We're back for the second spin. So I've got my chopsticks, paper roll and the stirrers back in here, and I'm curious what the second DIY will give me. The red bamboo placements. Okay. Remove and spin again. So with the placements I'm going to use some tin rope. Okay, so I cannot think of anything with those two, so I'm going to spin again. And I am getting some curtain rings. That could be fun. Okay, so for the second DIY I'm going to use some red bamboo placements, tin rope and curtain rings. Okay, so I've got all of the stuff here, and this is the red bamboo placement, and my idea is to get some of the curtain rings, put them on here and cut this out, and then I'm going to do that to a couple, and then let's see, I'm going to put it something like this, and then I use the tin rope in between, and you can get some kind of pretty hanger for on your wall. for the last time. So let's spin the wheel. Again, red bamboo placements. Okay, and with those placemats, this time I am going to use paper cups. Okay, so for this DIY I am going to use the red bamboo placemats and paper cups. Okay, I've got all of my stuff here, and oops, so this is again the red bamboo mat. Go, 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 yeah. So my idea is to do something with the coffee cups, stack them like this, and then wrap this around. And it's very simple, but I think it's going to be really pretty. So let's see what the end result is. Thank you guys so much for watching Spin the DIY Wheel round 5, and I really hope you liked it. And if you liked it, please push the like button. You can also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. So the rules are that I can only use what I spin during to start with a round now. So I'm going to give it. Now thank you guys so much for watching this video with Now thank you guys so much for watching this Stop.